welcome back to the barn find. Today we're gonna give the neglected car some attention and put on this HKS catback exhaust. I don't know the details, so don't ask me. You can see it. If you want it, you get it. Good. The HKS catback exhaust, 3-inch. We're gonna put it on the car, put a bigger intercooler on the car already and figured out our problems with it running and starting. It was my fault. If you wanna come over here, there's that chunky, beefy boy that's already on because I'm the goat. But yeah, it's truly neglected, but there's some fillings we gotta hurt out there. So we're gonna get it running again. Boom, we're into the car. So this is the reason why we're doing this HKS exhaust is all the two-step just blows out the gaskets. Hopefully we can fix that with a better exhaust, and you can see these welds are not the prettiest. This is a modified version of the Mazdaspeed exhaust, which it did sound good, except for when it had exhaust leaks from two-stepping. Gotta be a 12. What is going on? So much torque. The chassis twisted coming off the line. So much rust. The bolts rounded off the line. See what I'm talking about, man? See what that two-step be doing? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Num, 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 num. Mid pipe coming off, 2 seconds. Oh, Jonah, I'm gonna need your hands. Okay, you right. Hold on, it's tight in there.
It's strong. It's staying there.
By the way, if you want any free tools, Jonah will always leave them out for you on the floor, on anything. He does not care. They're free. Oh no. We lowered the car too much. No, I'm just kidding. Stock one out, new one going in. Should be easier. Why did I talk? Now we're gonna put the muffler on. And let that bit hang. You hang while I get the bolts. All right, now the mid pipe. Oh no. I need that back. Sorry.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
job, HKS. Always. All right, you guys, so we have finished the install on our, shut the fuck up. God. Fucking this guy never stops talking. Oh my God. Shh, quiet on set. All right, you guys, we're here and back with the final result of our HKS install for their exhaust for the Gen 1 Mazdaspeed3. Previously, we had the factory and very sought after Mazdaspeed exhaust itself, and ended up wanting to go through and put on the HKS because, in my opinion, doing this for over a decade now, the HKS has always sounded the best. So with that, we did get that installed, and it sounds amazing, as you guys heard from the dyno pulls, us driving it, doing a two-step. It's just an amazing exhaust. So from here, we've got a few other things that we're doing to the car, but HKS has always been a huge supporter of us, and we are the only HKS authorized pro dealer in Utah. So if you guys need any HKS parts, make sure you reach out to us. Make sure you guys like, follow, and subscribe, and we got you covered.